Welcome to Factory Zero. Thanks for joining us today, to all of our guests, and especially the team that is doing this transformation here. It's hard to believe that only 14 months ago, in January 2020, I stood here and announced an investment of $2.2 billion in this facility for a new generation of electric pickup trucks and SUVs and other EVs. It feels like 14 years ago. I'm not going to recount the horrific events that make it feel that way. We'll just say 2020 happened. But one thing that stayed the course during that unprecedented year was our unwavering commitment to an all-electric future. We've had a cadence of reveals, events, and announcements in recent months that demonstrate exactly that. Including in October, when we officially changed the name of this facility to Factory Zero to illustrate its all-electric production. And in fact, someone asked who came up with that name. I think it was Senator Sabinow. She loved the name, and I said none other than the plant manager, Jim Quick. So it came from it was very organic, and it was very cool. So thank you, Jim. I gotta say, I'm so proud and amazed at the work being done to revamp this plant. We're essentially creating a brand new factory of the future inside the walls that have stood for nearly 4 decades. And I'm proud to say I was an employee here. My supervisor, our CEO and chairman, Mary Barra, was actually the plant manager here as well. So we've got a long history here. It's incredible to drive through it today. So much work, so much dedication and resilience over the last year. When we're done and the plant is fully up and running, we'll have a team of 22 people on the job here, plus the supplier communities that supply all of the material coming into the plants. Including our other facilities in Michigan and elsewhere, we have made substantial investments in EVs in America and in American jobs. These investments demonstrate that we're committed to changing the world right now. We're taking the bold steps necessary right now toward an all-electric future to support our vision of zero crashes, zero emissions, and zero congestion. We will spend more than $27 billion through 2025, including $7 billion this year alone in the design and manufacture of EVs, and will launch 30 electric vehicles in that time frame. Some of them will be assembled right here at Factory Zero, and for that I'd like to thank the great state of Michigan, as well as Wayne County and the cities of Detroit and Hamtramck.